Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Jason. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest it hurts. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm going to tell you why the Galaxy Note series is over with. Now, I know you're saying like, Jason, you love the Note. I do love the Note series. I really do. I have for a long, long time. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra was my favorite phone of last year. I think the Note series has been fantastic. I think that Samsung has stuck with the Note series for a long, long time and done very well by the Note series. But I have also said, if you look back at more recent videos, that the Note series is kind of lost. Well, it hasn't lost its luster on its own. Samsung has kind of watered it down and made it into something less than what it used to be. It used to be Samsung's showcase line of phones, and the S Pen was the thing that made it special, and that's why people loved it. And over the past couple of years, they've done these like the Note 10 and the Note 20, and they were really expensive versions of a much less exciting version of the Note, and the Ultra phones were the ones that really were worth having. Recently, we heard that the Galaxy Note series is taking 2021 off. Like, we're not going to have a Galaxy Note series phone in 2021. We're going to have instead a Fold, and maybe a cheaper Fold or something like that. It's not entirely clear what's going to happen, but it has been said that the Galaxy Note series is not going to show up in 2021. And I am going to make the somewhat bold prediction. I don't like to make predictions, but I have some things here today to talk about that tell me maybe the time has come for the Note series to be done. Now, we all know that Samsung decided to make the Galaxy S21 Ultra S Pen compatible. And at first, I was just kind of like, well, why would you want that? The Note series is the one that has the S Pen, and I've always loved the S Pen. The S Pen has been very handy. I have had some issues with the S Pen in the past. It's been a little too small for my meaty fingers and that kind of thing. And when Samsung released the new S21 series, the new S Pen was not yet available, but over the past couple of months it has become available, and I finally was able to get one from Amazon. I just wanted to see what it was like. I wanted to see what, if anything, I might be missing by using an S Pen with the Galaxy Note 21, Galaxy S21 Ultra. And I didn't honestly expect much. Samsung is selling a silicone case, not silicon, silicone case for $70 and a foldable, like a fold-over wallet-style case for $80. That includes the S Pen, and you can buy the S Pen by itself. I think I saw for like $35. Now, links to all this stuff will be in the description down below, so you can check it out for yourself if you like. Now, I've not stopped using the Galaxy S21 Ultra since its release. Usually, I am done by this time. My sort of follow-up 3-month plus review is coming later. But I wanted to make this video to make one thing clear. There is no need for the Samsung Galaxy Note series of phones anymore. You might have a different opinion, and I'd love to hear about that opinion down in the comments below. But the reason that I'm saying this is that now we have this silicone case or foldable case, or I saw that Spigen on Twitter, somebody let me know that Spigen is also making a case where you can buy the S Pen separately and use it in the Spigen case. Now there's this little channel in here. I thought it was going to be big and bulky, but it's not. It actually gives the phone a nice like little bit more width, which gives it an iPhone, 12 Pro Max feel, I guess. It's a little bit wider, so it's a little bit more sure in the hand. I really like the silicone on here. The silicone with Samsung and other manufacturers of silicone cases has always been kind of janky and felt kind of gross, but the silicone here feels very nice. It's sort of like the silicone that Apple uses on their phones. It's a matte finish. It doesn't really pick up fingerprints all that much. It's really kind of nice. But the thing that really has me impressed and the thing that has me sold right now is this is not your daddy's S Pen. This is a real stylus. This fits in my hand. This thing can do the things. And I am duly impressed. So I want to go to OneNote. I want to go to notebooks. I want to go in here to just quick notes and make a note. And look, I'm writing I'm writing a note. This feels very, very nice. I can't tell you any more than that. I just really, really like it. It's got this big eraser. Everything can be erased. The S Pen has always been the best feature of the Note. And yes, this doesn't have its own little silo. And the thing is, a lot of people say they buy the Note phones and then they don't use the S Pen, so why buy the Note phone or why have the S Pen? Well, here's your alternative. Here's your alternative right here. You get your S Pen. If you want it, you get your S Pen and you pop it out and you use it just like so, bang, like that. And if you don't want it, you don't buy it. This to me was not going to be something that worked when I thought about it when Samsung first announced it. But I've had this now for a couple of days, and I have to say that now that the S series has S Pen support, I don't really feel like I need a Galaxy Note phone later on this year or early next year or whenever. And I have a feeling that Samsung feels the same way. This S Pen, this bigger S Pen, is a much better version of what they already had. It doesn't have the little clicky, but it does have the button on here. I think it needs to be programmed and connected via Bluetooth and all that kind of stuff, which I haven't done yet because I usually don't use that stuff anyway. But for navigating, for moving around, for just doing whatever, it's perfect. It's just a perfect size. It's not fiddly. It's not too anything. So the Galaxy Note series is on notice. Now that the S series has the S Pen, I really don't think there's any reason to have the Note series at all. Let me know what you think down in the comments, though. I'm sure there are a lot of differing opinions. I can't think of anything that this phone can't do that the Note series can now, and better because the pen is bigger. You let me know what you think, and we'll have a boisterous discussion. Once again, thank you so much for being here. If this was your first time and you want to come down... once again, thanks so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. If this was your first time, you want to come on back again, you want to talk to me, you want to spew some hate my way, you want to flow some love my way, whatever it is, come on back, subscribe, bell notify yourself, let yourself know when the videos are coming out. Going to be more Samsung content, going to be more audio related content, more smartphone related content, all the content that you could ever want coming here on the Painfully Honest Tech channel. So go ahead and hit that button. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. If you want to watch another video, maybe about this phone, maybe about other phones, or maybe about something else, there'll be some things that you can click here on the screen that will allow you to click over and watch those things, and tell a friend. I'd really appreciate it. Once again, my name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. So honest it hurts. Until the next time, I'm out.